1 minute wisdom. Where are your blinders? In my Subaru, I have this great feature where if a car is coming in your blind spot, it flashes so you know. I'd love to have that available to me in life. My biggest blind spot most recently was working with my mentor. I couldn't see that it was time to move on, that things had become unhealthy, and I'd become a little independent, and she wasn't encouraging me to go. So I ask you, where is your blind spot? Where are you not looking for things or acknowledging that there are challenges or problems? Finances, health, relationships? What is it that you're refusing to see? Why are you refusing to see it? Where is your blind spot? And what are you going to do about that? On our next episode, we're talking about respecting what you own. Go out, clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.